where I wouldn't even pay for Zoom. Zoom just changed their rules, bro. Zoom changed their rules, yeah? And it's only like a year and a half ago, because before, it wasn't even that long ago. And I was making money, but I still had a broke mentality. Zoom, yeah, it used to be unlimited, yeah, for one-to-one calls. Then they changed it where it would only be unlimited if it was like a group of people. But for one-to-one calls, it's 40-minute time limit. So if you've got an hour sales call, you can see it. The last 10 minutes, the timer starts going down. And I was just refusing. £11 a month. And I'm just like, nah, bro. Why am I paying £11? And these times, I'm just trying to force calls on Microsoft Teams or Google. And you know, everyone's so used to Zoom because that blew up over COVID. So I was doing Microsoft Teams and I was missing out on so many calls because of this, because people didn't have Teams on their phone, but they couldn't do Google. I'm just like, I'm being dumb here, bro. I'm just being dumb. Like, it's actually dumb. Like, I want to grow to 10K per month and I'm not taking £10 on Zoom. So there's coaches out there, they won't even upgrade their Calendly. They won't upgrade Zoom. They won't pay the extra slot to upgrade their training app. Like, you can't have that, let me pinch here and there if you want to grow to 10K, 15K. And I don't think those coaches think about the bigger picture.